business. Got the truck back. Another, this one, actually, the warranty covers some of it. And that was what? We still got to pay $1,200. I even got the wife in here with me today. Since I'm doing a Sunday run. I did a Amazon Sunday run. But, you know, you ain't going to find none on the load board for Sunday in Washington. So, but yeah, I did an Amazon run today. So the wife got to go with me. Just down to Portland, Oregon. So now we're just driving back home. Because she got to go to work tomorrow. So yeah, another $1,000 for an EGR? Was it that?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, the EGR. And the seals and gaskets for that. And then that was the warranty part. And then my part was, what was it? What was it? The test drive?
Diagnostic and test drive.
Diagnostic test drive.
Some labor, and then your...
Was there some of the labor in there too? For $1,000 something?
Well, then it's your deductible too.
Oh yeah, my deductible to my warranty. That's right. That's why it came out to like $1,100 after tax. Oh my goodness. God damn. Wow, pothole. Like you pointing down. Are you pointing down?
No, I'm
okay.
I got you.
But, so yeah, so I'm back in business, y'all. Finally got the truck back. Still got one more repair. If you remember from the last video, I was talking about the my lift gate. I need the motor. So I still got to get that done. The part's on order, and that's still kind of limiting me on what I can do to a point, you know, for doing lift gate type roads. Because, you know, me, I'm more of a local driver and our regional, like going down to Portland within a day, you know, something like that. So that's basically where we at. All right, y'all. I'll catch you later. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
I love the box truck couple that be doing that all the time. She's like, say hi to the people. Stop. Still going. You gotta love our rain here in Washington. We got a storm coming through. Today and tomorrow is even supposed to bring the snow level down to 1,500 feet. So I ain't going over the mountains anytime soon. But yeah, we got a nice good rainstorm with some serious wind, y'all. We got some wind.